Are you worried about how your Burlington County home's roof will perform when the cold and snow of winter sets in? Ameritech Services can explain what to look for. The first part is to check your roof line. This is where your shingles end and the soffits and fascia begin. So, what should your roof line look like? The answer is easy: straight, with no dips. You'll want to be on the lookout for areas where the roof appears to be sinking. Dips indicate damage to the roofing structure underneath. You'll need help from a professional roofer like us to solve this problem. The trees around your home can cause damage. Get your trees trimmed so they don't scratch your roof, keeping them far enough away from your house that a falling branch won't hit the roof. You'll also want to check inside your house for signs of damage-related issues. If you notice water discoloration around vent fans, like in your bathroom, that's a sign of a water leak somewhere that could get worse with the cold and snowfall. Getting it fixed ahead of time is in your best interest. If you need help with winter roof maintenance, call Ameritech Services today at 856-418-1029.